From groomed runs to powder days, the right board defines control, speed, and confidence on every descent. Best snowboards combine advanced materials, precise flex patterns, and rider-focused designs to deliver stability, responsiveness, and performance for beginners and seasoned riders alike. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SportsStuff Ryder Snowboard. The SportsStuff Ryder Snowboard is designed as a simple, approachable option for entry-level riders who want casual winter fun without the complexity of a full resort board. Built with durable hardwood construction, it is made to handle repeated backyard use, small hills, and local sledding areas with reliability. The raised nose and tail allow for riding in multiple directions, which helps beginners experiment with balance and basic turning without feeling locked in to a single stance. Ratchet-style bindings provide a secure and adjustable fit, making it easy to share the board among different riders or adjust for winter boots. With the recommended weight capacity of up to 150 pounds, it suits kids, teens, and lighter adults looking for recreational riding rather than technical performance. The absence of metal edges keeps the board lightweight and safer for casual environments, though it is also not intended for groomed resort slopes or icy terrain. Overall, the Ryder snowboard focuses on durability, simplicity, and fun, making it a practical choice for beginners who want a low-maintenance board for relaxed winter play and skill development. Number 2. SportsStuff Sled Snowboard. The SportsStuff Sled Snowboard offers a beginner-friendly introduction to snowboarding with an emphasis on ease of use and durability. Measuring 130 centimeters and recommended for riders between 80 and 150 pounds, it provides a stable platform that helps new riders gain confidence while cruising gentle slopes. The hardwood construction is built for repetitive use, making it well-suited for families or shared environments where the board will see frequent action. Its hook-and-loop binding system allows for quick and simple adjustments, which is especially helpful for beginners who may need frequent fit changes or are still learning proper stance positioning. Like other sled-style boards, it does not feature metal edges, keeping the ride forgiving and safer for casual use, but limiting it to non-resort settings. This design choice makes it ideal for backyard hills, sledding areas, and light recreational riding rather than high-speed carving. The Sled snowboard strikes a balance between simplicity and reliability, making it a solid option for those taking their first steps into snowboarding-style riding without committing to advanced gear. Number 3. SportsStuff Wood Snowboard. The SportsStuff Wood Snowboard is a compact and lightweight option tailored specifically for younger or smaller riders. With a 90-centimeter size and a recommended weight range of 35 to 60 pounds, it is well suited for children who are just beginning to explore snowboarding-style movement. The hardwood construction ensures durability, allowing the board to withstand frequent use on small hills and snowy play areas. Its simple design emphasizes stability and control, helping beginners focus on balance rather than complex techniques. The easy-adjust hook-and-loop bindings make fitting quick and straightforward, which is especially useful for parents adjusting the board for growing kids or different boot sizes. Like similar entry-level boards, it does not include metal edges, keeping the ride gentle and reducing the risk of sharp edge contact during falls. While it is not intended for resort use or advanced terrain, it performs well in casual environments where safety and ease of learning are priorities. Overall, the SportsStuff Wood Snowboard is a practical starter board that encourages confidence and fun for young riders. Number 4. System APX Snowboard. The System APX Snowboard is a more performance-oriented option designed for riders who want a traditional snowboard feel with reliable materials and construction. Featuring a poplar wood core combined with EVA components, it balances strength, flexibility, and vibration dampening for a smoother ride. The board is designed to accommodate riders with boot size 10, making it a suitable fit for many adult snowboarders. Its construction focuses on stability and responsiveness, allowing riders to progress from basic turns to more confident all-mountain riding. The poplar wood core provides a lively yet controlled flex, helping absorb terrain variations while maintaining edge-to-edge consistency. Unlike sled-style boards, the APX is intended for real snowboarding environments, offering better control and predictability on groomed runs. The clean, black design gives it a classic, understated appearance that appeals to riders who prefer function over flash. Overall, the System APX Snowboard is a solid choice for beginners to intermediate riders looking for a dependable board that supports skill progression across varied snow conditions.
Number 5. Afterglow Performance Snowboard. The Afterglow Performance Snowboard is designed with versatility and progression in mind, making it a strong choice for beginner to intermediate riders. Its women's hybrid rocker shape creates an easy-to-turn, forgiving feel that helps new riders build confidence while still offering enough stability for improving skills. The all-mountain directional shape allows for smooth steering and reliable control, making it suitable for groomers and varied terrain. A poplar wood core keeps the board lightweight and responsive, striking a balance between forgiveness and strength for riders refining their technique. Liquid sidewalls enhance edge hold and carving performance, particularly on firmer snow, while also improving overall stability at higher speeds. The textured top sheet adds durability by helping hide scratches and chips from regular use, maintaining both appearance and performance over time. Designed to grow with the rider, the Afterglow Performance Snowboard supports learning while still delivering dependable control as confidence increases. It is a well-rounded option for riders seeking a smooth, stable ride across different mountain conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.